Hi everyone, I am Koketso Setena, fourth year nursing student from the Tshwane University of Technology, proudly and gratefully funded by the ISFAP bursary. And I'll be sharing with you steps that will help you make use of the online learning. Because ever since this coronavirus pandemic has hit us, all teachings are made online. So I hope these steps are going to be helpful and you can make use of them. Step number one, be organized. Familiarize yourself with the online website that they use for your classes. For example, your Brightspace, your Zoom, and your Microsoft Teams, so that you won't have to spend 5 minutes trying to log in and you'll be missing a lot or a little in the content that is shared in class. Step number two, set up your workspace. Gather all your study materials, your textbook, your notebooks. If your lecturer says this content that I'm sharing is in page 200 or page 250, it's easy for you to page off than to be distracted looking for that particular textbook. Step number three, figure out how you learn. Figure out if you're a morning person or you are a night person, if you prefer to study in a quiet place or you prefer to have a little bit of music playing in the background. For example, if you prefer to study in the morning in a quiet place, the library, then schedule your thing around that. And if you prefer to study at night, at least you can schedule it an hour later after having dinner. Step number four, make a schedule and hold yourself accountable for it. For example, make use of your study guides, make note of your assignment dates, your test dates, and mark them on the calendar. This will help you not to forget and to time yourself if on how much time you're going to spend on that particular assignment, or how much time you're going to spend studying for that particular test. The last step number five, be active and participate. Always ask questions in class. This will help you to prevent confusion. It will help you to be engaged more in the content, and again for you to gain more knowledge. So that's it from me, guys, and I hope it's very useful and helpful to you. I hope you use it and it helps you, because I use it and it works. So bye.